Well guys, so we've got the brand new Barclays Women's Super League sticker collection. This is a starter pack. You get 5 packs, 60 page album, which is £4.99. More stickers, more stats and more shiny. Your guide to the Barclays Super League this season. That's Brighton, you can see there's a few there. There's a design. All your you've got all your teams there. You've got Arsenal, Aston Villa, Brighton, Chelsea, Crystal Palace, Everton, Leicester, Liverpool, Man City, Man U, Tottenham and West Ham. Then you've got your hashtag #GotNeed. Then you can follow them there on the socials. Quick get this open. I'm going to go through the album. So I've got it and I've got all the packs there. Now we do have a boxing as well. We'll do another video. So it looks like there's 3 different designs, I can tell. I get a few stickers inside as well. Then you got last season in numbers. Then you got your, I'm not sure what, I think there'll be the kits, and you got probably your captain, your manager in these bits here. That's quite nice layout. You've got more of the, then you start on 2 teams. So you've got your Arsenal. These are some of the players which probably didn't get a sticker. Then you've got some little bits about them here. You've got Aston Villa, Brighton, you've got Chelsea, Crystal Palace, Liverpool, and Manchester City. Then you've got Man United, Tottenham Hotspur, West Ham, and that's it. Then you've got the fixtures at the back here. Then you've got a few stickers here. Then you've got a bit about them there. Then you can do the app, which you can scan it, then you can see how many you need, I think. And that's the back of the album. So that's what the stickers look like. So you've got a captain, Bethany England, Russo, Power Pair. You got the badge, quite nice and shiny there. Rachel Daly. That's it, like that. So you've got Fresh Kicks, their new signing. The badge. Nice and shiny the badges are. That's a nice one. Then we've got a impact player there. So we've got a nice and shiny one here. Oh, it's an icon. Nikita Paris. Nice pack. Don't forget guys to stay tuned for some more videos because we're doing some more on this, because we've got a whole box here, contains 50 packs and a single pack is 90p, just wondering, so that'll be in good videos. Wonder how many you can get out of there which you need for the binder. I'm assuming that probably can fill up the whole of this binder. Don't forget guys to stay tuned and we'll see you in another video.